As most people know by now, we haven't had much rain lately. So I decided to check out the Haw River down at Saxapaw. And as I found out, it's very, very dire looking. There's a lot of rocks exposed, log jams, um, just way down there. And as this view shows, even the smaller rocks are exposed, which normally doesn't happen because there's enough water to cover them up. And it's pretty bad. I did a flyover of the area from the dam to the bridge in Saxapahaw, and you can get a pretty good look here about what's going on. In fact, you can just about walk across the river if you're careful on the rocks in some places. So I decided to do some checking. So I went to the National Weather Service site, and they've got some great information there. And I'll put the link to the information as well in the description of the video, showing just the way things are right now. So the water level measuring station is in Haw River, just south of Main Street, Highway 49, the red dot here on the map. And this shows the water level currently, today, the 15th, 2021, at 1.78 feet, which is pretty low. If you look at the next chart showing low water records, in 1982 it was at 1.65 feet. So we're talking an inch or two from that low water record 39 years ago. So here's a little bit closer shot, and you can really see what's going on down there. It looks like it might be fun to explore, but I'm not going to recommend that. There were a couple of people down there on the rocks, but those rocks have sharp edges and look pretty treacherous, so I wouldn't advise that. I don't think I've ever seen it quite this low before. I've lived here a pretty good while. So anyway, I hope you found this interesting, and thanks for watching.